In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add themes to Notion. If you've ever found yourself staring at a bright white page late at night or struggling to see your workspace clearly during the day, adjusting your theme in Notion can really improve your experience. Notion makes it simple to switch between light and dark modes, or just follow your computer's default appearance. And in this video, I'll walk you through exactly how to do that, step by step. First, open Notion on your computer. We'll start by going into the settings. Look toward the top left corner of the Notion window, where you'll see the sidebar. In that sidebar, there's an option labeled Settings. Go ahead and click that. This will open a panel where you can manage how Notion looks and behaves. Within this panel, you'll see several sections. Find the section called My Settings. Under that, look for an option labeled Preferences. Click on Preferences. This is where Notion keeps most of the options related to your personal experience, including language, time, and of course, the theme. Once you're in the Preferences area, look for the setting called Theme. Next to it, you'll see a drop-down menu. Click on that drop-down. This is where you can choose how Notion appears on your screen. You'll see three choices: light, dark, and use system setting. If you select light, Notion will use a brighter, white-based background and darker text. This is usually best in well-lit environments or during the daytime. If you prefer a softer look that's easier on your eyes at night, choose dark. Dark mode swaps the bright background for darker tones, which can help reduce eye strain and may feel more comfortable in low light. The third option, Use System Setting, is great if you like your apps to stay consistent. If your computer is set to switch between light and dark mode automatically, choosing this option tells Notion to follow whatever your system is doing. That way, you don't have to change it manually every time. After you pick the theme you want, Notion will update instantly so you can see the change right away. If it doesn't feel quite right, you can always come back to this same Preferences section and try a different option until you find what works best for you. That's all there is to it. By adjusting your theme, you make Notion feel more personal, more comfortable, and easier to use for long stretches of